You can kind of tell what it's doing.
So what we got here is a 97 feet long beam that weighs around 75,000 pounds.
Gross of 140?
Gross of 140,000 pounds. These beams are so long that we have to use this steering to steer the trailer because you wouldn't be able to get it around like you needed to. So it uses a hydraulic arm that moves the axle and allows you to steer it somewhat so you can get it into the spaces that it needs to be done. This is Al Miller. This is my grandfather. He's been moving these beams around for a while. We used to do it quite often, and this is the first time in quite a bit. My father, Randy Swap, is driving my grandpa's 79 long-nose Kenworth. We're going to move it all into the area so the crane can pick it up and place it. When you hear that, that's the hydraulic ram moving. You'll see this axle move up here.
You have to turn completely around. You're going to turn completely around.
We're gonna turn this whole truck around so we could back it in. So there's an intersection up here. We're gonna go up that hill, back down into this street over here, and then turn back uphill to back it out. This will give you perspective of how long this beam is. A normal trailer is between 48 to 53 feet long. This is 97, so this is almost twice the length of a normal trailer. Gonna make the beam straight. And here we go. Most trucks have a CB radio inside them, so other truck drivers can tell each other if there's any cops or any traffic jams so they can get off early and not get stuck. So what we're using is a handheld CB that will go to the CB that's in the truck and talk to the driver. See, there you go. Now you can really see that axle steer, see? This is the bridge. There's the two cranes that will hoist the beam and place it. This is the last beam of the bridge. Those two up there, that's where they're going to hook those shackles there and there and lift up the beam.
About to get it, Joel.
You're going to see something awesome. You see that triangle? That allows the cranes to hand off to each other. So the big white crane is going to grab it first, swing it to the black one, and the black one is going to hook one of those straps again and then hand off each other. And then the white one will come over here and hook to those eyelets there. place the beam. Then we're gonna come down and hook these two trailers. It's one trailer, but two pieces. Put it together and then haul it up, back up the road. Just gonna hook those right in there. We'll undo the chains, which I don't know what it's doing right now.
Got it? Okay, now we're going to pull that trailer out from underneath it. That's our next step. We're going to pick that up and pull the trailer out from underneath it. Good drag over. Now we'll move and go afterwards. Don't hang on her. I don't give a shit. Now we move the rock. Okay, ready? On easy. What we're doing is we're putting this crane, taking this beam over to the other crane, and then unhooking and then rehooking. It's the other end of it.
Yeah, that construction worker has balls of steel. Don't want to climb out there to the edge. I'll hook that shit up. I'm sure he's supposed to wear some type of safety, but he's very confident in his job, it looks like. Oh, they're so close to those cables, look at that. Now the big crane is lowering. Pretty clever idea. He's unhooked that one. The crane will now swing over and come to those eyelets right there. Okay, we lift it up. The truck is out of here. Now they gotta do is place the beam. We got our paper signs so we get paid, and a lot of shaking hands.